Hello, in front of me I have Haylou GST watch, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe downwards from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, like this. And on the quick panel, you should see the Do Not Disturb mode icon, the one with the moon, that looks like a moon. And to enable the mode, simply tap on this icon, and the icon should change the color to blue. This means that the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. And if you want to disable the Do Not Disturb mode, simply open the quick panel again, tap on the icon to disable it, and the icon should be back to being white. This means that the Do Not Disturb mode is disabled. You can also enable the Do Not Disturb mode through the phone app, so let's bring our phone right here. Of course, our watch needs to be paired with a phone to do it via the Haylou Phone application. Once the devices are paired, open the application on your phone. In the application, tap on My Smart Device, select the Haylou GST from the list, and here we have the option called D&D mode. Tap on it, and right here we can enable the Do Not Disturb mode by tapping on the switch, and we can also set up a schedule for it. So basically, in the app you can set up a schedule for your Do Not Disturb mode. So you can enable it, then tap on Start Tap Time right here, and set up the start time. So when the Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on automatically. I'm gonna set it to something like 10:30 maybe. So let's find 30, like this. And the finish time, so this is the time on which the Do Not Disturb mode will be disabling itself automatically. And I'm gonna select the finish time and set it to something like 6:30. Okay, and now my Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on automatically at 10:30 p.m. and turning off automatically at 6:30 a.m. And once you're done, you can close the app. Okay, and that's how you enable and disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.